What is email marketing automation? Email marketing automation helps you save time by handling repetitive marketing and sales tasks on predefined schedules and by gathering critical and useful information into a central location to help sales teams focus on the right potential customers and leads at the right time. So, the simple definition of marketing automation is that it is a tool that can help save time and increase your sales. So I'll show you one example where students have enrolled in my free course and they will receive a welcome email. So let me go to my website. So this is my website and here this is a form. If any student or anyone who is interested in the React.js free course puts his or her name and email ID, so they get a welcome email. So let me go to my Mautic dashboard, and if I go to campaign, so this is the campaign which I have created. So let me click on this and let's click on edit and then click on launch campaign builder. So this is the welcome email. So once anyone fills the form, they will receive this welcome email and they will be added in this contact segment. Contact segment is like a group. Students who enroll in my free React.js course will be added in this group. So let me close this and let me go to segments. So this is the group of students who have enrolled in my free course. So in future, if I make a free course on AngularJS, so I'll create one more segment for Angular students. And this will help me to bifurcate both the groups. Means if I write a blog on my website which is related to React.js, so I'll send email only to this React.js group. Or maybe if I create a paid course, so I can share with this group. Okay. So email automation helps you to take care of your existing customers as well as new leads which are added to your database. If executed correctly, email automation delivers highly personalized and timely experience that will convert people into customers or first-time customers into loyal repeat business. Automation is a tool that lets you create a series of personalized automated follow-up emails that are sent to contact after they are added to a list. You choose the order, frequency, and target content of the message. Once the sequence is set up, the email sent automatically. The only challenge with email marketing automation is it often requires a little work and planning upfront. So this is it for this video and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.